Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall prepare the Masala Ragi Rotti. Take 1 1/2 bowl of water and add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour and stir well. Now add some oil, salt, jeera, chopped green chilli, chopped onion, coriander leaves, grated carrot and mix it well. When the water starts boiling, add 1 bowl of ragi flour. Now mix it well. It should not have any lumps. Now let it cook in a low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the ragi is cooked, now make the rotis and put it on tawa. Once both the sides of the rotis are cooked, the healthy and delicious ragi roti is ready to be served.